Apple iPhone 16 Pro major upgrade is just the beginning, report claims. Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 Pro may feature a 5x zoom tetraprism lens, a major upgrade for smaller iPhones. Respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggests the iPhone 16 Pro will match the zoom capabilities of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Future iPhone models, starting with the iPhone 17, are expected to receive even more significant camera upgrades. The iPhone 17 Pro may feature a 48-megapixel tetraprism camera with a larger sensor, improving low-light performance in digital zoom. A 48-megapixel sensor could enable 8K video at 5x optical zoom, rivaling Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. The iPhone 19 Pro, expected in 2027, may introduce more complex prism designs for an even longer zoom range. These advancements could help Apple challenge Samsung's dominance in optical zoom, especially in brightly lit scenes.